And if
20
we
per
have,
year.
per year, 5 crops, 45 days it
20
multiplies.
you are saying directly if we produce
Tie,
this one.
tie it like this and this.
Yeah, no. 20 is this one.
Just
you
give it.
Do
The
the
buyer-
value addition also here.
Then excellent. That's
That
what we
also
want, an MSME scale unit here.
That
Then
we
the
will
GDP falls here. The SAP can be produced from
Because
others.
again producing
We
and
should not
selling
sell
it
it, no,
again
no.
we are closing on.
We have to create the GDP here, sir.
Yes, yes.
So small units, 10 cents, 20 cents of
What
land.
support can CMFR give?
All technical support, sir. We are the Center for Excellence in CV at Rameshwaram Mandapam.
ICR Institute, sir.
ICR Institute. At Vizag, we have a big station. The farming is already going on in large scale.
Tamil Nadu has
No, it's okay, but you are not following, no? Tamil Nadu is having, but you are not following.
ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం ఎందుకు చేయలేదంటే మన కోస్ట్ లైన్ is not supposed to the conventional farming of seaweed.
We had designed it.
This is the indigenous method they have
New technology they have
innovated. So these
Now-
only floats, sir.
When can we scale it up? Is it necessary to have proof of concept now?
No, sir.
Exactly.
It's already
Already piloting
approved,
just-
technology is patented and it's been
Patented?
certified.
Okay. But one project,
Yes, sir.
small scale or
Demonstrable.
demonstrable, how much time?
It's 1 year we can demonstrate, sir. We can have.
It will take 1 year,
Or 6 months. Let us see by
make it
MSCI.
6 months.
Yes, sir.
You give the investment details. We will start now,
Right, sir.
today.
Yes, sir.
6 months, from then onwards we will scale it up.
Right, sir.
What are all the requirements you work it out,
We'll
we'll scale it.
suggest the MSME units also, sir. Small.
Yeah, MSME units linked with that,
Yes,
and also backward integration,
Yes,
forward integration.
All this.
Both will do it. You
Right.
prepare the reports. You recruit one team.
Yes.
Only for this one team. Seaweed.
శ్రీకాకుళంలో సార్.
ఇక్కడ చేద్దాం. Seaweed will do here. We will work it out. Immediately we will do that. మీరు కూడా సూపర్వైజ్ చేసుకోండి.
So another project which I am working on last 20 years is artificial wheat, which has been going on in large scale in other states. Andhra, we are just going to launch on the May 10th onwards if everything goes well. Our first reef starts. This is deploying these kind of structures artificially made and lowering onto the seabed at a particular depth, so there is least conflict of fishing, and this will develop into a.
You come here,
Sorry.
they are also reporting.
So this forms a habit.
No,
It forms a habitat, sir, and this habitat we are restoring. We are bringing back some lost biodiversity. This is a practice which is done elsewhere world over. India is just slowly adapting to it. Last 20 years we have been doing. Tamil Nadu has done almost 1,000 sites. We are just starting.
లాస్ట్ 5 years వాడలేదు సార్ మనం వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి
Yes. Under PMMSY there was a scheme. 40, 60,
how many?
180.
మనకి అలాట్మెంట్ లేకపోయినా 122 పెట్టాం సార్ ఎక్కడైనా యూజ్ ఈయన మనకు సహకరిస్తున్నాడు ఎక్కడి నుంచి బయట నుంచి తెచ్చుకుందాం ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం వాడుకోం.
what is the cost for each unit?
35 lakhs per site. That is 250 units, about 200 tons. We deploy it in 6 months' time. The traditional fishermen can start fishing, sir.